Forget the mainstream market noise. While everyone chases tech giants, true alpha is hiding in plain sight. I'm going to share 7 under-the-radar penny stocks poised for explosive growth, backed by compelling catalysts and a fresh wave of smart money moves. Stick around, because the data reveals a massive upside potential you simply can't afford to ignore. And stick around until the end, because I'll line up the raw data side by side to give you the ultimate consolidated financial insight. Let's dive in. Compass Therapeutics, Inc., ticker CMPX, is pioneering the next generation of cancer therapies, developing proprietary antibody-based treatments that target the complex interplay between tumor growth and the immune system. Their lead candidate, tovecimig, CTX-009, a bispecific antibody, recently hit its primary endpoint in a Phase 2/3 trial for advanced biliary tract cancer, showcasing a remarkable 17.1% overall response rate against a mere 5.3% for standard treatment. What's even more compelling? In Q2 2025, Compass reported more patients are alive than projected in this study, with crucial overall survival data now anticipated in Q1 2026, which could fast-track a biologics license application filing that same year. Tovecimig already holds FDA fast-track designation, a powerful accelerator for its review. Beyond this lead, Compass boasts a robust pipeline. CTX-8371, a novel PD-1/PD-L1 bispecific, has delivered deep partial responses in early trials for non-small cell lung cancer and triple-negative breast cancer. Financially, Compass is well capitalized, holding $220 million in cash by Q3 2025, extending its runway into 2028, a critical advantage for a clinical-stage biotech. While still operating at a net loss, Q3 2025 net loss of $14.3 million, the company's strategic funding and multiple shots on goal have garnered strong analyst support, with price targets ranging from $8 to an ambitious $30, suggesting a significant upside as these catalysts unfold. H.C. Wainwright, for example, reiterated a buy with a $24 target, impressed by CTX-10726's potential. Veritone, Inc., ticker VERI, is an artificial intelligence powerhouse, transforming unstructured data into actionable intelligence through its proprietary AIware platform. This Denver-based innovator serves diverse sectors, from media and government to legal and energy, positioning itself at the nexus of the surging AI and data economies. The company recently demonstrated powerful momentum, with Q3 2025 revenue hitting $29.1 million, a robust 32% year-over-year surge, fueled predominantly by its software products and services segment, which rocketed 55%. A key growth driver is Veritone Data Refinery, whose qualified pipeline doubled quarter over quarter to over $40 million, strategically placing Veritone in the rapidly expanding AI training data market, projected to soar to $34 billion by 2033. Crucially, Veritone has significantly de-risked its financial structure. In Q4 2025, the company executed a major debt reduction, paying down $77.5 million and slashing annual debt carrying costs by over 90%, from $14 million to just $0.8 million. This move also freed up $15 million in previously restricted cash, fortifying its balance sheet and allowing it to aggressively pursue growth. Its unique competitive advantage stems from operating on both sides of the data economy, representing content owners and serving AI model developers. The public sector pipeline has impressively swelled to $218 million in Q3 2025, securing 82 contracts and adding 30 new agencies in the quarter. While Q3 2025 net loss was $26.9 million, missing analyst EPS expectations, the company targets operating profitability by late 2026, backed by its stronger balance sheet and burgeoning high-margin software business. Analysts maintain a positive outlook, with an average upside potential of 25.40% and a target of $11.20, recognizing Veritone's strategic transformation and unique data monetization capabilities. Bitfarms Limited, ticker BITF, is executing a bold, high-stakes strategic pivot, transforming from a Bitcoin mining pure play into a leading North American provider of high-performance computing and AI infrastructure. This move aims to capture significantly higher margins and more stable revenue streams in the exploding AI sector. While Q3 2025 saw an earnings miss with EPS of negative 0.08 and revenue below forecasts, the underlying narrative is one of impressive year-over-year revenue growth of 156% from continuing operations and a clear vision for future profitability. Financially, Bitfarms is exceptionally well-positioned for this transformation, boasting over $1 billion in available capital, including a formidable $820 million in cash and Bitcoin, alongside $200 million from its Macquarie facility. This war chest provides immense flexibility for its ambitious, high-performance computing and artificial intelligence build-out. The company has shrewdly secured substantial power capacity across strategic North American locations: 350 megawatts at Panther Creek, 110 megawatts at Sharon, both Pennsylvania, 170 megawatts in Quebec, and 18 megawatts in Washington. Management's insight is striking. They project that converting just the Washington site to GPU as a service could generate more net operating income than the company's entire Bitcoin mining business, underscoring the potential for massive margin expansion. Bitfarms has already committed $128 million to IT infrastructure for its Washington site conversion by December 2026, targeting NVIDIA's next-generation Vera Rubin GPUs, positioning itself to capitalize on the projected infrastructure shortage for these high-density processors in 2027. Despite execution risks inherent in such a transition, analysts remain bullish, with Compass Point recently hiking its price target from $2 to $7. Recognizing Bitfarms' strategic foresight and significant growth potential in the AI infrastructure gold rush, Orchestra BioMed Holdings, Inc., ticker OBIO, is a clinical-stage biomedical company focused on advancing disruptive therapies for major cardiovascular diseases, specifically hypertension and coronary artery disease. Their pipeline is spearheaded by two pivotal programs: atrioventricular interval modulation therapy for hypertension and Virtue SAB, a drug-eluting balloon for coronary artery disease. Recent trading has been volatile, with a 15.5% gain over the last month, but a sharp 17.3% plunge in the past week, signaling heavy speculative activity around upcoming catalysts. Yet, analyst targets remain exceptionally bullish, with a mean of $13.33 implying a staggering 275% upside from current levels, despite the short-term fluctuations. In Q3 2025, Orchestra BioMed reported a net loss of $20,800,000, or 40 cents per share, as R&D expenses increased to $14 million, reflecting the accelerated pace of its critical clinical trials. The company successfully raised $147.6 million through strategic transactions and equity offerings during the quarter, extending its cash runway into Q4 2027. This financial fortification is crucial as it supports the ongoing Backbeat pivotal study for AVIM therapy, which is targeted for full enrollment by mid-2026. Simultaneously, the Virtue SAB pivotal trial is demonstrating strong momentum, with full enrollment expected in mid-2027. The company's strategic achievements were noted by Barclays, which, despite a slight price target adjustment from $12 to $11, maintained an overweight rating, underscoring confidence in the clinical progress. Hitting its 52-week low of $2.20 in September 2025 before a significant rebound highlights the inherent volatility, but also the powerful upside potential associated with successful clinical outcomes. Orchestra BioMed's fate and its ability to realize those ambitious price targets hinges on the successful progression and data readouts from these critical late-stage trials. Annexon, Inc., ticker ANNX, is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company disrupting the neuroinflammation landscape with innovative complement inhibitors for a range of severe indications across autoimmunity, neurodegeneration, and ophthalmology. The stock has delivered a breathtaking performance, including a jaw-dropping 112.4% three-month return and a 52.6% surge in just the past month. This meteoric rise is fueled by an aggressive confluence of bullish analyst coverage, significant insider buying, and critical pivotal trial milestones. After-hours trading already reflects this, ticking up to $4.70, nearly quadruple its 52-week low from April. Annexon's Q3 2025 saw a net loss of $54.9 million, or $0.37 per share, with R&D expenses rising to $49.7 million, signaling accelerated advancement of its key pipeline assets. The company is well capitalized, closing the quarter with $188.7 million in cash, providing a robust runway into early 2027. Analysts are overwhelmingly bullish, with Wells Fargo recently increasing its price target from $14 to a staggering $27, boosting the probability of success for Vonaprument's Phase 3 GA trial to 55%. The firm sees a significant asymmetric risk-reward skew with massive upside. Director Sadr Munir A. underscored this conviction with a substantial $3.6 million insider purchase in late November. With a consensus, strong buy rating, and price targets ranging from $8 to $27, Annexon represents a high-conviction bet on transformative clinical success. Zura Bio Limited, ticker ZURA, is a clinical-stage immunology company developing innovative dual-pathway antibodies to tackle severe autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. The company is experiencing significant momentum, evidenced by a blistering 196.8% six-month return and a surge of analyst attention. Clear Street recently initiated coverage with a buy rating and a bold $18 price target, over 4 times higher than the current price of $3.74, highlighting the immense untapped potential in its lead asset, tibulizumab. The company closed Q3 2025 with a robust $139 million in cash, which management confidently projects will fund operations into 2027. This financial stability is paramount for a pre-revenue biotech, allowing it to drive its clinical programs forward. While Zura Bio reported a net loss of $20 million in Q3 2025, these losses are a direct reflection of increased research and development expenses as both Phase 2 trials accelerate. Key catalysts are rapidly approaching. Top-line data readouts for TibuShield are anticipated in the third quarter of 2026, followed by TibuSure's results in the fourth quarter of 2026. Positive outcomes from these trials could be transformative, de-risking the asset and unlocking substantial shareholder value. Guggenheim reiterated its buy rating with a $15 price target, maintaining strong conviction. With a consensus rating of moderate buy or very bullish, and an average 12-month price target of $10.75, Zura Bio is clearly capturing Wall Street's focus as it navigates competitive trial recruitment dynamics. Acrivon Therapeutics, Incorporated, ticker ACRV, is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company leveraging its cutting-edge generative phosphoproteomics AP3 platform to design precision medicines for cancer. Despite a challenging year with a 63.1% stock decline, analyst conviction remains incredibly strong, with an average target of $11.17, implying a staggering 370% plus upside from its current $2.37. This sharp divergence highlights a high-stakes bet on transformative clinical data from its lead drug candidates. The company's strategic focus is evident in its pipeline, particularly the ACR-368 Phase 2b trial for endometrial cancer. H.C. Wainwright recently initiated coverage with a buy rating and a $19 price target, citing robust developments and the inclusion of a third cohort, expected to boost enrollment and overall response rates, especially among less heavily pretreated patients. This new cohort, crucially, does not require a pretreatment biopsy and uses ultra-low-dose gemcitabine, which could significantly broaden treatment access and enhance Acrivon's market positioning. In Q3 2025, Acrivon reported a net loss of $18.2 million, an improvement from the prior year, with R&D expenses declining to $13.6 million, reflecting strategic focus. The company commands a strong cash position, closing the quarter with $134.4 million in reserves, providing a comfortable runway into Q2 2027. Beyond ACR-368, the ACR-2316 Phase 1 trial is also progressing, showing early signs of clinical activity and tumor shrinkage. Wall Street consensus is bullish, with 6 analysts setting targets from $6 to an ambitious $19. Citizens analysts reiterated a market outperform with a $13 target, calling ACR-368's 35% objective response rate in metastatic endometrial cancer competitive. Acrivon's future trajectory is unequivocally tied to successful clinical readouts and the realization of its precision medicine platform's potential. Now, let's dive into the raw financial data for these 7 explosive penny stock opportunities. When we look at the current prices, we see a tight range, with Acrivon Therapeutics at the lowest at $2.41 and Compass Therapeutics and Veritone, nearing $5.50. Looking at market capitalization, Bitfarms Limited commands the largest at $1,750,000,000, followed by Compass at $983,600,000 and Annexon at $687,100,000. On the smaller end, Acrivon Therapeutics is a microcap at just $74.79 million, signaling potentially greater upside if its clinical trials hit. Smaller market caps mean higher risk, but also exponential reward if breakthroughs occur. Revenue figures tell an interesting story of early-stage growth. Veritone leads with a robust $98.0 million, and Bitfarms isn't far behind with $276.4 million, reflecting their more developed commercial or transitional phases. Orchestra Biomed reports a modest $2.8 million, while most biotechs like Compass, Annexon, Zura Bio, and Acrivon are pre-revenue, typical for clinical stage companies. Gross margins are a key indicator of operational efficiency. Orchestra Biomed boasts an astonishing 93.0% gross margin, a testament to its specialized, intellectual property-driven model. Veritone also shows excellent profitability at 67.8%, highlighting its powerful AI software platform. Bitfarms, in its transition, reports a 4.6% gross margin, indicating higher operational costs in its current phase. The other biotechs, being pre-revenue, don't report gross margins. Finally, let's look at earnings per share. Consistent with their growth and clinical development stages, all these companies are currently operating at a loss. Acrivon Therapeutics shows the largest loss per share at -$2.13, followed by Veritone at -$1.94, and Orchestra Biomed at -$1.80. While negative EPS is common for R&D intensive companies, it underscores the speculative nature of these investments. The future potential lies in their ability to transition from heavy investment to commercialization and profitability, driving those EPS numbers into positive territory, making them compelling bets for the long term. And these are 7-penny stocks that could deliver truly explosive gains in the current market. Which of these red-hot penny stocks are you most bullish on, and why? Or perhaps you have another hidden gem you're watching. Drop your insights, predictions, and alternative picks in the comments section below.